Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Outlook. Access email on web and app step by step clearly. First, check that you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open your web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Type Outlook.com in the address bar and press enter. On the Outlook page, click Sign In. Enter your Microsoft email address, phone number, or Skype name. Click Next to continue. Type your password carefully and check for capital letters. Click Sign In to access your account. If you see the Stay Signed In screen, choose Yes only on a private device. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If you have two-step verification, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. After login, wait for your inbox to load fully. To open a message, click the email subject in the list. To send a new email, click New Mail and enter the recipient and subject. Now, to use Outlook on a phone, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft Outlook and select the official app. Tap Install or Get and wait for the download to finish. Open the Outlook app after installation. Tap Add Account to begin setup. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password and tap Sign In. If prompted, approve any security verification request. Choose whether you want to add another account or continue to Outlook. Allow notifications if you want to receive new email alerts. On Android, you may be asked to grant permissions for contacts and calendar, and you can allow or skip. To switch accounts in the app, tap your profile icon and select the account you want. To log out on mobile, go to Settings, choose your account, and tap Delete Account from this device. To log out on the web, click your profile picture and select Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.